Looking for affordable sports cars for new car enthusiasts on a budget? We have got you covered with a wide selection of makes and models all under the $30,000 price point. If there is a car that deserves a spot on every starter sports car list, it is the BMW E36 328i. The E36 3 Series is a simple yet expressive blend of performance, style, and luxury. While often a premium compared to lesser models, the 5-speed manual 328i model is the best overall E36. Our first American entry is none other than the SN99 Ford Mustang GT. The 1999 model year and newer Mustang models received a facelift for this generation, and they are known as SN99 variants. Of all the available models of the updated 4th generation Mustang, the V8-equipped GT model with the 5-speed manual is the obvious enthusiast pick. These bare-bones V8 models are far from perfect, but they are serious fun. The E85 BMW Z4 Roadster is the last drop top of the list. The E85 Z4 marked the end of an era as it was one of the last naturally aspirated BMW models. In 2006 and newer model years, the Z4 Roadster 3.0i offered BMW's last naturally aspirated inline-6 engine, the N52. The N52 is regarded as BMW's most reliable naturally aspirated inline-6. Our first Honda on the list is a serious winner, the FA5 Honda Civic Si sedan. Featuring the 8,300 revolutions per minute redline K20Z3 inline-4, this Civic's engine is one of Honda's best efforts. The 8th generation Civic would mark the end of the golden era of Honda, as its high-revving engines would never return again in any future generation. This makes the FA5 Civic Si sedan a great blend of the original raw Honda ethos and modern creature comforts. One of, if not the most polarizing cars on our list, is the Nissan 350Z. Despite its lacking community reputation, the 350Z's overall performance capabilities are undeniable. A quick gander at your local marketplace and you'll find Nissan 350Z models a dime a dozen below $10,000. This is because most of them are pre-facelifted models that have been beaten and thrashed.